Hi everyone, this is Poojashree and welcome back to my channel Passion Fruit. First of all guys, I'm wishing you a very happy Durga Puja and Navratri and Shubho Sharodiya Shab Bengali Bondhuder. This is the complete look that I'm going to show you guys in today's video, so that in this Durga Puja you can get this perfect Bengali traditional look and can get your makeup done, that too all by yourself. One more important thing guys, those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead first and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos and you're the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. For this particular video, I've borrowed my mother's red and white Kanjivaram saree and I've used few of my wedding jewelleries as it looked perfect with the attire. This is the close-up of today's traditional makeup look that I will be showing you guys. So let's not waste any further time and show you guys how to achieve this perfect traditional Bengali Durga Puja makeup look and what kind of saree to wear and what kind of jewelleries to pair up. So let's move on towards the video. First of all, prep your skin with any primer that you have, but I'm using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. Once I've applied the primer properly, I'll go first and do my eyebrows and eye makeup. First, I'm combing my eyebrows using the spoolie present on the other side of the brow pencil. I'm using the Colorbar brow pencil in the shade Chestnut 001. Do check out my video on eyebrow tutorial where I've shown you guys how to apply the brow pencil properly and get the perfect shaped eyebrows. I'm using the Maybelline Dream Lumi Touch Concealer in the shade Honey as a base for my eyeshadow and also to clean up any mess that I have done while doing my eyebrows. I'm using the matte eyeshadow palette from nickak and I'm applying the orangish brown shade on the outer half of my eyes. Blend the eyeshadow properly so that there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking the mustard yellow shade from the same matte eyeshadow palette and applying it on the inner half of my eyes and blending it in properly. And guys, keep one very important thing in mind, that blending is the only mantra for the perfect eyeshadow. I'm using the glitter eyeshadow palette from nickak as I want my eyeshadow to be vibrant. I'm applying the red glitters on the outer half of my eyes where I have applied the orangish brown shade and blending it in. Next, I'm applying the mustard yellow glitters on the inner half of my eyes where I have applied the mustard yellow shade and blending it in properly. And lastly, to get the extra glow, I'm using the rose gold shade just on the center portion of my eyes. Using the Lakme water resistant Insta liner, I am creating the winged eyeliner look as the Bengali traditional makeup look is incomplete without the winged eyeliner. I am using the Rimmel London soft kohl onto my waterlines and just smudging it a little. First, I'm curling my eyelashes and then using the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara from Maybelline. I'm applying the mascara on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes. I'm brushing off any excess eyeshadow or glitter on my face. Once I'm done with the eye makeup, I'm moving on to applying the foundation. Here I'm mixing two foundations. One is the Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse in the shade Beige Honey, and the other is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation in the shade Beige Vanilla. I'm using my fingers to apply the foundation evenly all over my face. Then I'm applying the Lakme Rose Face Powder to settle down the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Color Show Blush in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. Then I'm using the Lakme Absolute Sun Kissed Bronzer to contour my face. I'm using an angular brush to contour my nose. Next, I'm using the NYKA highlighter in the shade 24K Glam 01 and using a MAC flat brush to apply the same on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and a little amount of highlighter on my cupid bow. I'm using a reddish orange tinge lip liner to line my lips. You can use any red lip liner that you have. Then I'm applying my all-time favorite MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, and it is the perfect red shade I've used till date. And to complete the look, I'm using the falsies from PAC and the number is 213. As we are done with the face makeup, so let's move on to the hair. First, I'm combing my hair to remove all the tangles, then I'm using a tail comb to make middle partition and then pulling back all my hair to form a ponytail. Next, I'm using a hair donut to make the bun. I'm inserting it into my ponytail and then wrapping it using my hair and securing the donut using a rubber band, and twisting the leftover hair round the donut and then securing and cleaning up the look using some bobby pins. So with this hairdo, this makeup look is complete. So guys, if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below. Your comments are all that I look forward to. I love replying to all your comments, and if you like this video, show it to your friends, and if you recreate it, then don't forget to tag me with your pictures on my Instagram page. And in case you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me now. I'll leave the link in the description section below, and I'll be leaving the product details of all the products that I've used for this particular video in the description section below. And last but not the least guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Passion Fruit and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Signing off today guys, until I come back with another such amazing video. Bye guys.